Assalamualaikum students, this is mathematics for grade 2 and our today's topic is uh, place value and block chart diagram. So let us see our student learning outcomes for today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to determine the number of place value of the digits of a two-digit number, represent a three-digit number through block chart diagram up to 200, and identify the numbers shown through block chart diagram up to 200. And fourthly, we will write the number of number names and vice versa. Firstly, we will have having a number and we write for number names for them. And secondly, we will be having number names and we'll write the number for them. So here are our student learning outcomes. So let us take a quick review what we have learned yesterday in our previous class. Firstly, we have, as we we have learned about the spike abacus. So here I'm providing you with some spike abacus. So here you will identify the number of tens and ones of the given spike abacus, and then you will form the number and number name. So here we go. Here we are having our first spike abacus. Here we are having three tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Three tens, 8 forms the number 38. 38. So here is another spike abacus. Here we are having some tens. Let us count these tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So 9 tens and 9 ones forms the number 99. 99 represents the number 99. So here I'm having, now we will move towards our today's topic, place value. And before I would initiate the place value, I will show you a video for that, and carefully watch this video, and then we will continue our lesson. So here we go.
Hey, look, Caddy the kangaroo is going to teach us how to form two-digit numbers with a given set of digits. Hello, kids. We already know that two-digit numbers are made of tens and ones. Numbers from 10 to 99 are called two-digit numbers. Let's take the digits 5 and 6. Here, we place one digit in the ones place and the other digit in the tens place. Look, we got the number 56. Here, 5 is taken as 5 tens and 6 as 6 ones. Now, let's interchange the digits. Look, we got the other number 65. Here, 6 is taken as 6 tens and 5 as 5 ones. Kids, what if we repeat the digits? Yes, by repeating the digits, we can form two more numbers. That is, by placing the same digits in the ones and the tens places. So, we get the numbers 55 and 66. Now, let's solve one more example to understand in a better way. We have the two digits 4 and 0. Here we can form two numbers 04 and 40. But 04 is the one-digit number 4. So, 40 is the only two-digit number formed by digits 4 and 0 without repeating any digit. We can also form one more two-digit number, that is number 44, by repeating the digit. Hence, we can form only two two-digit numbers with the digits 4 and 0, and those are 40 and 44. Kids, now let us see how many two-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 4, 8 and 6. Without repeating these three digits, we can form 6 two-digit numbers. They are 48, 84, 86, 68, 46 and 64. And on repeating these digits, we can form 3 more numbers. They are 44, 66 and 88. Wow! So many two-digit numbers can be formed using 3 digits. Hope you had fun learning with Caddy.
So students, you have watched this video. So do you have understood that uh, a two-digit number consists of two digits, and the first digit from the right is at ones place, and the second digit from the right is at tens place. So here the digits are underwritten in a block chart diagram, thus we can easily determine the place value. Here 5 is for 5 ones and 4 stands for 4 tens or 40. However, when the place value chart is not present, it is understood that the first digit from the right is at ones place and the second digit from the right is at tens place. So here we are provided with some numbers and we have to determine their place values. Here we got the first number. Here the number is 89. So what is the place value of 9? As 9 is first digit from the right, so 9 is representing place value. So, or 9 is at the place value of ones. So 9 ones or 9. Here we are having the second digit from the right, it is 8. So 8 is representing tens. So 8 tens or 80. Similarly, we are having another number 43. So here 3 is at ones place because it is the first digit from the right. So 3 ones or 3. Now we comes to 4. 4 is at tens place. So the number 4 is representing 4 tens of 40. Similarly, here we are having another number 58. 8 is the first digit from the right, so it is representing 8 ones or 8. And the 5 is at second position from the right, so it is representing 5 tens or 50. Here we are having a fourth number 92. 2 is the first digit from the right, so representing 2 ones or 2. And the 9 is the second digit from the right, so it is representing 9 tens. So the number is 92. Let us read out the numbers from the first place. Here is the number 89, 9 ones, 8 tens. Here is the number 43, 3 ones and 4 tens. Here is the number 58, 8 ones and 5 tens. Here is the number 92, 2 ones and 9 tens. So let's move on. Here we will write the place value of the indicated digits of the given numbers. Place value of 1 is 1. And in 57, what is the place value of 7? What is the place value of 5? Sorry. As we know that 5 is the second digit from the right, so it is representing the tens place value. So the place value of 5 is 50. Here is the number 94. The place value of 9. 9 is the second digit from the right, so 9 is also representing the place value of tens. So the place value of 9 is 90. Here is the fourth number 62. The place value of 2. 2 is the first digit from the right, so it is representing the place value of ones. So the place value of 2 is 2. And now we come to the block chart diagram representation of numbers. As you have studied in the previous classes, that a number can be conveniently represented using the block chart diagram. So in this chart, we will use some symbols for representing different place values. For example, ones will be represented here as a single cubic block. Tens will be represented as a bundle of 10 blocks. Here we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here comes the hundreds. Hundreds is represented as a grid of 100 blocks. So so in the upcoming slides, I will provide you with some block chart diagram, and then you will determine the number by determining the hundreds, tens, and ones, and then forming the numbers in numerals and then in words. So here we go. Here we are having our first block chart diagram. So let us see how many hundreds are there. There are only, we are having 100. So how many hundreds? 100. How many tens are there? We are having three tens. 1, 2, 3. So three tens are there. And how many ones are there? There we are having four ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are having four ones. So the number the form is 134. 134. Here is our second question. Here, how many grids we are having? We are having two grids representing the hundreds. So how many hundreds are we having? Two hundreds. Now count the number of tens. Wait a minute. We are not having any tens here. So how many tens are there? We are having zero tens. Now move to the ones. How many ones we are having? Now let us count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So having 9 ones. So what is the number? 209. The number formed observing this block chart diagram is 209. Now it is your turn. I'm providing you with some block chart diagram, and then you are going to determine these numbers by analyzing those block chart diagrams. So here we go. Here we are having another number, another block chart diagram representing a three-digit number. So firstly, see how many hundreds it is having. It is having only 100. So the number 100 in this number is 1. How many tens does this number has? Let us count the number of tens in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ones are tens are there. So we are having 8 tens. And how many ones we are having? We are having only a single block, cubic block representing one ones. So here we are having one ones. So the number represented by this block chart diagram is 181. Here is another question. Here we are having some block chart diagram representing some number, representing a three-digit number. Here we are having how many hundreds? Here we are having 100. How many tens we are having? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 tens. Now, how many ones does this number has? We are not, we cannot see any ones. So the number of ones is 0. So the number formed is 140. 140. Now, here is the recap session. What we have learned is today's lesson. We have learned that we can determine the place value of the digits even in the absence of the place value chart. How? The first digit from the right is always at ones place. Second digit from the right is at tens place. Now, third thing we have learned here that numbers can easily be represented through block chart diagram. 100 can be represented by a grid of 100. A tens can be represented by a block of tens, and ones can be represented by a cube of ones. So each positional value can be represented by a certain specific building block through which we can analyze the numbers. So, and lastly, we have seen that for each place value digit, there is a unique representation in a block chart diagram. Now that's all with today's lesson. Now I'm going to assign you with an assignment that you will submit me in the form of scanned copies. So please note down, take out your notebooks and note down the assignment. You will submit me exercise number 1B on page number 7 to 8. And along with that, you will submit me exercise number 1C, that is on page number 10. I'm attaching the exercise number 1C because it is a very short exercise. You have to just convert the number in words in numerals. So it's a very short one. So that's why I have merged the exercise 1C with 1B. Hope you have liked this lesson. And please submit your assignment on time. And inshallah, take care and Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.